Exporting contacts on Brevo. In this video, you are going to learn how to correctly export contacts on Brevo. So let's get started. First, go to your Brevo website or to your browser. Now, you will see a dashboard like this. From the left dashboard, click on the option that says contacts. Now, you will be able to see all of your contacts here. Now, in contacts, click on the option that says more actions. Now clicking on it, you will see a menu like this. From this menu, click on the option that says export. Now wait for export, and after it you will be able to add any attributes you want to export, and you will able to select the field separator that will be semicolon or comma. After selecting all of these options, click on the option that says export, and that's how you will be able to export contacts on Brevo. That's all. Thanks for watching.